How to backup and restore WhatsApp chats on Android. If you want to backup as well as restore WhatsApp chats on Android, first let's get started with backing up. First, WhatsApp, open it, and then once done, tap on the three lines icon or the three dots icon from the top right hand side. You can see various options. We want to go to this option called settings. From settings, just look for this option called add chats and select it. From chats, scroll down and select the option chat backup and select it. Under chat backup, select first of all a Google account where you want to back up your chats so that on the next phone or within this phone, if you want to restore next time, and if you make sure you are logged into the Google account, it will give you option to restore. Once you've done that, you can select automatic backups. You can choose to include videos and so on, and you can just tap on the backup button that you can see over here, which will back up all of the messages for you, as you can see. So when it's done backing up, basically you could just go ahead and then come back, and then on the next phone, whenever you try to log in with the same phone number, it will give you the option to restore your chat as long as you have backed it up. So once you restore it, your chats will be restored. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.